This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Stunning waterfront home with spectacular views from almost every window. This beautiful 3-story home rests quietly on the shores of the Pasquotank River. Open floor plan with updated kitchen designed for entertaining. The home also includes a first-floor in-law suite/recreation room with snack bar that includes refrigerator and microwave and separate entrance. Oversized 2-car garage with 12 inches ceilings and 220 power. Home also features an interior elevator with cargo lift, locked for safety. Dredged to accommodate large boats, private dock and boat lift that has been recently updated and has electricity. Call today to see this amazing home. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane.